YouTube advert, but yeah. Got a Bows family. I'm Tom. Nice to meet you all. Virtually, anyway. This is my song. It's called Open Up. If you're interested, it might be released soon. Fingers crossed, eh? But hello, how are ya? My name's Thomas Wedge. Let's go to Alaska and take a ride on a sledge. Under the stars, if it rains, we'll find a ledge. Then we'll start the end of the night with you giving me head. In a king-size bed, in a honeymoon room, making sweet love to a jazz or soul tune. I'll hold the door, you just have to walk through. Now it's just me and you, so why don't you? So why don't you? Well, so why don't you? Next week we'll jet set to Venice. Rooftop, hot tub, sunset, it's bliss. Probably miss, cause you'll wanna kiss my lips in a steamy mist, which again, it's bliss. Getting tipsy on the Gold Coast by the sea. Just you and me, private beach, smoking cheech. Whatever you need, won't be out of your reach. Just don't preach or brag, because you'll sound like a slag. In fact, keep this between me and you, and always be true. You have no idea the doors I can open for you. I've heard your blues, that's why I choose you, to find the best you. So why don't you? Well, so why don't you? I'm a nice guy, really, if you think about it. I want to make it funny as well.
Hey, you should. I tell you what, this is good. This is good.
Right. But I'm not saying that we're together. I'm not your fella. I'm a geese, but chivalry ain't dead in me. Just cause we're only fooling, I still want you to achieve. So link my arm and charm, cause you smile with disarm. Most situations, salutations or libations. Playing stations, any animal nations. Just show me patience. If anyone fucks with you, they'll be a patient. My pattern's pending. Stop sending those mixed messages, mentally messing my mind. In due time, you will find that I'm fine. So come to mind and unwind in the sunshine. Sing it, Patty. So why don't you? So why don't you? Patty LaBelle's got a voice. Patty's got a voice.